Okay, we are going to be asked to solve, to find the solutions. So we are going to look for the points where my parabola crosses the x-axis. Any point on the x-axis, y is 0. F of x, remember, is a different name for y. So I need to make y 0. So 0 equal 5x squared minus 10x minus 40. So I need to factor, and a is not 1. First thing, GCF, is there any common factor? Let's see. So this is 5 times x minus 2 times 5 times x minus 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. What is the GCF? 5. 5 is the larger number that can divide each of the terms. So in the parentheses, what they don't share? X squared minus 2x minus 8. And I check distribute. If you are correct, you go back to the original. Okay, now I need to factor. I am going to use the x method. Remember, the constant is the product and b is the sum. So two numbers that multiply give me negative 8 and the sum is negative 2. Negative 8 times 1, the sum is negative 7. No. Negative 4 times 2, the sum is negative 2. Okay, so this is the sum and this is the product. Perfect. This is my combination. So I am going, those are the two numbers that complete the x method. So I have negative 4 times positive 2. Now I'm going to complete my factor. So I have GCF 5 parentheses x minus 4 close parentheses, open another parenthesis, x plus 2. The sign of the number is my operation symbol. Okay. Now, did I finish? No, because the question is solve. Find the solution. So I have to make it equal to 0. Because the product is 0, each parenthesis has to be equal to 0. And then I solve. I do the opposite. So 1, 0 is 4. Let's find the other one. Subtract 2, x is negative 2. So these are the solutions or the zero. So my answer will be x equal 4, x equal negative 2. Let's do another example. I have another function. Is there a GCF? 6, 13, and 5. No GCF. How do I do this? First of all, make it equal to 0. And we are going to use the box method for this one. How does it work? I am going to multiply a times c. 6 times negative 5 is negative 30. And the sum is 13. I will look for two numbers that multiply give me negative 30 and the sum is 13. Okay, 10 times negative 3. No. 6 times negative 5. No. What about 15 times negative 2? That's it. 15 plus negative 2 is positive 13. So those are my two numbers that I need. And now I am going to draw my box. A 2 by 2. I copy on the top right corner the first term, 6x squared, and the constant, the bottom right. Okay, sorry. Top left, 6x squared, bottom right, the constant. These two numbers that we found, 15 and negative 2, are the coefficients that we are going to fill out in these boxes. So it doesn't matter where, you will get the same answer. So I will write negative 2x in this box and 15 in the other. After I complete the box, then I am going to factor the GCF by row, the GCF by column. So very quick, if you don't see it, 6 is 2 times 3, x squared times x times x. This is negative 1 times 2 times x, negative 1 times 5. 15x is 3 times 5 times x. Okay, now it will be easier to identify common factors. GCF for the first row. Okay, I see that they share a 2 and they share 1x. Second row, what do they share? Only 5. First column, what do they share? Okay, I see that they share a 3 and they share an x. Second column, they share negative 1. And that's it, right? So negative 1. And I verify. I am going to multiply 2x times 3x, 6x squared. 2x times negative 1, negative 2x. 5 times 3x, 15x. 5 times negative 1, negative 5. I did it correctly. So what are the factors? The outside of this box. The outside. So g of x can be factored. So we have 0 equal, I make it equal to 0, 2x plus 5 times 3x minus 1. I need the solutions. Each parenthesis equal to 0. 2x plus 5 equals 0. Subtract 5. 2x equal negative 5. Divide by 2. 1, 0. X equal negative 5 half. The other 0. 3x minus 1 equals 0. I add 1 to both sides. 3x equal 1. Divide by 3, divide by 3, x equal 1/3. So these are the two zeros or solutions for this example.